So this week we have STEAM Week, where we are trying to create passion and enthusiasm for science for all learners across the school.
Today we are doing the elephant toothpaste practicals with the younger learners to hopefully introduce them to the wonderful world of chemistry and science beyond just the syllabus.
Really ensure that the students had fun and actually understood what was happening.
I like the experiment. I like the elephant toothpaste because it was glow. We were learning about lungs and we made these lung models.
Express my creativity from painting it. It also helps you think on your math because you also have to roll dice to see what you're doing.
The students have been innovating apps using a software called Figma, which is a collaboration software where they can design apps and build websites.
We hope that everyone enjoys STEAM Week this week and comes away with lots of passion for science.